Well, welcome to Rhulani inside.
Hello, hello.
It's a bit noisy.
It is a little bit noisy, but
Can we go outside with that? Then we can talk better. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. It's now afternoon. Yeah, and from the kitchen, our ranger Willem is now packing for the sundowners, right?
that is correct.
Can you quickly open again? So
Of course.
we have, of course, sundowners in the bush. Everybody knows it. But what do you actually carry for sundowners?
So it depends on what the choice is of the guest visiting. But today we have G&Ts, gin and tonics. We have castle lights. That's there.
Oh, now always the eyes we cannot
We
see.
have the castle light, and then we have an excellent choice of red wine as well. So there we have our gin that we take with on the drive.
Oh, that's the pink gin.
It's the pink beef eater, and then our red wines as well.
Okay, red wine. So I tried that. You call it pink tonic. Pink tonic.
Pink tonic, yes.
Yeah, that's the new specialty at Rhulani. You need to try that. Right. Okay. So the sundowners. So everything that's included, right? So we enjoy a glass of whatever in the bush. Oh, you carry that on your vehicle.
Yes.
Here behind.
1, 2.
Doesn't this fall down when you go through a bumpy road?
The boxes are heavy enough, so they stay nice and secured inside of the loading bay.
Okay. Wonderful. Now we are prepared for the drive.
We are ready.
We are ready to
Time
go.
for some Royal IT and then safari time.
Thank you very much. That was
Fantastic.
wonderful. Have a nice drive, Willem.
I will do so. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.